Okay, the next workout we're going to try is called your pec deck. Now, I'm sure a lot of people have heard of this. This is this machine right here. And this is a fairly simple machine to use. But just with any machine, you got to be careful and watch what you're doing because you can still hurt yourself. So you want to use your front of your forearms going against these pads. You grab the handles there like this. Now you want to be sitting when you do this. I actually kind of like to stand a little because I feel better. I can get a better angle when pulling the bench out. But let me show you. And I want to pull towards you. Reach the middle. Go slowly back to the middle. Slowly back to the middle. Do the same thing. Try to do a set of 10 of these and you'll be good. Remember, if you're going in, you want to squeeze. Once you hit the most inner part of your out, in. That's why you squeeze. Back, in, squeeze. See how I'm doing that? You get a better burn that way. Also, you want to remember the breathe. For this particular exercise, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good, just like that.